So since I brought my rollback, if you hear over here, Ben came and fired up his ramp truck. And we're gonna do some shenanigans with him.
I pulled up to its replacement.
Oh yeah, we didn't show people that yet.
They might have seen it on my channel.
Nobody watches your channel.
I know, thanks.
So, everybody talked about Ben was so nice to sell me this truck, and yeah, he totally bought it, just sell it to me later. No, he sold it to me because he found something else he wanted.
Okay, now back up for just a second.
I don't want to back up, I'm just going to show everybody.
No,
check this out.
Technically, that was baloney, because this actually came about after I sold you the tow truck, and I was like, oh my gosh, I actually found something to replace it with, and I didn't think I ever would. So it went completely the opposite of what you just said, so don't lie to the people.
I like my story better.
I don't.
Tell everybody what it is.
It's a 1973 International 1210 with a Holmes bed wrecker. So it's a four-wheel drive. Technically was a 3/4 ton originally, but they put a 1 ton.
Old school Holmes dollies.
Yeah. And it has been a tow truck, not since it was new, but since about 77 or 78 they put the bed on. And it has been at this family place. So this is Brownsville Parts and Service. This is a Napa Auto Parts store, and then they have a 2-bay service shop with one mechanic that works there. Now, you want to see something that's really funny? Look how they spelled service. But on the other side, they spelled it right. But those are hand painted. They've been on
How
there
long has that been on there like
since
that?
1977.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So this is an old school cable operated wheel lift. It has a wheel lift. These come out, go on it that way so that they're out like L-arms. And it's the cable of the boom that raises it up and down. And then it's got these rollers on it so that when that sits down, those roll on the ground as you back under the car. And then you put your pins in, which is this right here, and then cable lift it up. And you have to pull this out by hand.
Which I thought was super sketchy, and I called Casey when I first got this and I said, is that how it is? And he's like, yeah, that's actually normal. He goes, what's way more sketchy is the big huge semi-truck trucks of this era that you told me had that system.
They have a safety pin to hold it up.
I understand, but they were lifting, 20,000 pound semis with it, and I'm just lifting little 5,000 pound trucks.
Yeah, the only problem is you have to pull this pin out, and then you have to pull the wheel lift out by hand.
Yeah.
And lock the pin back in.
Yeah. I haven't done that yet. We're going to do that today.
Okay.
Maybe. It's even got a spade right here.
Oh, you got a spade too?
Yeah, see it?
Nice.
I think that's what that is.
That's not a spade, that's a SCOBY plate.
What's that?
So, you should have sling bars somewhere on this truck that tie right into here. It's basically your version of a sling. Oh. And this hook hooks that right there. These are your chain slots right here where the chain hooks onto. The other end of the sling bar grabs...
I guarantee those are long gone, because that's all that is.
Yeah. The other end of the sling pins in right there. That was so loud to the people who are wearing headphones right now. That was Ben's fault, not mine.
My bad.
Yeah, but that's basically your sling plate for sling towing stuff.
Yeah, so we'll never use that.
No. I still say this is the coolest truck Ben's ever bought. See? Alright, so when you have an international tow truck and a bigger international tow truck, how could you not put your international tow truck on your international tow truck?
I could not agree more.
And then when you have an even bigger international tow truck, how could you not put your international tow truck that's on your international tow truck on the international tow truck?
And the only question is, why do people even wonder why we are friends?
No, the question is, why have we waited so long to do this? I've had the truck for a whole week now, and we haven't done this yet.
You were out actually getting work with it and making it pay for itself.
Yeah, there's that. Google this in Spanish.
Stop that.
I wasn't talking to you.
Stop that.
Keep coming. We're gonna change that. Yeah, that was gonna pull up into the bottom of his little light bar there. We don't wanna do that. Okay, try again.
This truck is 13.8 by itself.
Okay.
I would say that's every bit of 75.
Yeah.
So I think we're probably 21,000.
Okay, so what's for sure gonna happen is your tailboard there is gonna hit the ground.
Okay.
But I have a solution to that.
Tip that up a little.
You'll see.
Okay.
Yeah, those back ramps are definitely going to hit a lot. That's okay, we can fix that. Told you I had a fix for that. That's a lot of weight on the tail.
Yeah. The other thing we got to do is I got to go grab the tape measure and see if we're over 14.
What if that was legal?
If it's under 14, you can drive it.
If it's under 14, let's go to lunch.
Yeah, I know, seriously. Just for the looks around town,
Yeah.
right?
So this is exactly how ridiculous I was hoping this would look. We had to walk the bed back under because of this overhang, which I knew I was going to have to do. I didn't think it would do a wheelie. Turns out it did a really good wheelie. So.
I think you got about, and you dug a trench in the gravel.
Yeah, that's okay. It's yours, not mine.
Okay.
Yeah, how are you going to get up there to measure that?
Well, if I can get to this step board, I can get to the flatbed, I can get to there. Like it.
I mean, I definitely could have put the underreach down and stopped it from doing a wheelie, but it was already doing the wheelie before I realized it was going to do a wheelie, so. Hey, you just started that. It might be hot.
Alright, so.
Come on, get back up there.
I don't like heights.
No one asked you to do this.
You told me if I didn't, we weren't going to be friends anymore.
I might have said that.
Okay, tell me when I'm on the ground.
You were the tape measure.
No.
Okay.
14 is there.
Close. Enough.
I'd say that the boom, the top of the pulley of the boom, and the rotator light, that's all that we're over. Because the top, the headache rack where the light bar, the rotator bar is, that bar is below my 14-foot number.
So what you're saying is
We
it's
lowered the
doable.
boom and we pull off the rotator light, we're legal to go to Portland.
Yeah, we just back up a foot, let the truck.
There you go.
We'll ride wheelies all the way to Portland.
Yep.
Why would we go to Portland?
I don't know. How about California? Nope,
Nope.
don't go there either. How about Montana?
Why did you say Portland? I don't even.
I don't know. That's how we ruined the video.
Yeah. Okay, I guess we should set it all back down now and get serious for once. No. We just reversed the process, walked the bed back out from under it. Now, right back down to the ground. It's back on the ground in one piece.
We still gotta unload that one too.
What's this wee stuff you're talking about?
Oh yeah, I don't know. That was worth every bit.
Yes, 100%. 100%. It had to be done.
And that was actually more spectacular than I thought it would be.
Yeah, we did a wheelie.
A 4-foot wheelie on a 29,000 pound truck.
Yeah. Now we know what it can do.
Well, now you know.
This wasn't senseless shenanigans. This was product testing and training.
It was specific testing for you because you needed to know the limitations when you're
yeah,
out
there was
working,
reasons
helping
behind
customers.
this. Yeah.
I know, yeah.
There was reasons for all
It
this.
may have looked like shenanigans, but
We were not having fun. This was serious business.
No, we had a customer come during the whole thing,
Yeah.
and I dropped off a truck, and he was here. We were still doing.
He's yelling, "The truck's going over!"
Yeah. Thank goodness the camera was running the whole time.
Coolest truck he's ever bought. That one's pretty cool too, though. All right, well, we're gonna get all our toys, tools put away, and gonna wrap up for today after some serious training and product testing with no shenanigans.
Definitely.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. We did. No, we didn't. We were serious.
Very serious.
But hopefully you did. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Things.
See you on the next one.